Hi. So the last couple streams I built my first ever custom keyboard. Twitch link will be in the description if you want to check my streams out. And with that being said guys, here's the build. So for the board I choose the GK64X. It's a very beginner friendly board and it's hot swappable, which means I don't have to solder or anything. Then for the switches I went with the Echo CS Marshall Greens, a new switch, budget, and it sounds very nice. Then for the keycaps I went with the Echo Volto Tokyo ones. These pink and white keycaps look very good in my opinion. And yeah, that was the build, so let's start with building it. So right now I'm just starting by cutting some pieces of foam that I can put into the case. That doesn't sound that hollow and overall just better typing and experience. It took me long, but it was worth it. After that I worked on my stabilizers. I looped the stabilizers, I clipped the stabilizers, and I also looped the wires. I didn't want to ban 8 mod because it's my first custom keyboard build or holy mod. Maybe I'm gonna do this in the future, but we're gonna see. And after looping the stabilizers, I started looping all of the switches. Looping switches is a very long process, but trust me, at the end of the day, you're gonna love your keyboard even more. For looping all of the switches, it took me, I would say, around 3.5 hours, cause I'm a beginner and I first off had to learn how to loop all of the switches, so it took kind of much time. But just as I said, they sounded so much better at the end and I was so happy I looped all of my switches. And after looping off the switches, there comes the best part of the keyboard build, putting on all of the keycaps. Putting on all of the keycaps is such a nice feeling, because you realize that you're finished with your keyboard build, and then you can test it and everything, and try it out, so it's the best part. And now let's get to the streaming highlights. Woo! It works, chat. Oh, the RGB is actually shining through. Let's go. I thought it's not gonna shine through, chat. Let's go. It actually shines through. It's looking even more beautiful now. Chat. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa! We finished looming. Last switch. We are done. Finally, chat, let's go. Yes, go. We finished looping. W's. Woo! Okay, let's test all of the switches. Escape works. 5 does not work, no. No, this also does not work, chat. Ah, rip. No, XR also doesn't work. No, I'm also not. Okay, chat. And yeah, here I'm just trying to fix all of the switches. There were just some pins broken and I like had to flip them again so that they work again. Okay, so this was the video. I hope y'all liked it. I overall had so much fun building this keyboard with you guys on stream. I can't thank you enough for all the support you've given me the last couple months. And yeah, I think the keyboard turned out pretty nice. It looks very good and it sounds very, very good. Again, thank you so much for watching, and with that being said guys, peace out.
My section, I'm gonna get mine. Know I get this shit popping in time. Promise I'm gonna get mine. Cause a lot of people out here try.